In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Reddit. If you're finished browsing using a shared computer or simply want to switch to a different account, logging out of Reddit is quick and easy. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can do it in just a few seconds. To begin, make sure you're already signed into Reddit and looking at the main Reddit page or any page within the site. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. This is where Reddit places your account and profile controls. You should see your profile icon or avatar there. Go ahead and click on your profile in the top right corner. When you click it, a menu will open with several account-related options. This menu gives you access to settings, account tools, and other actions connected to your Reddit profile. If you don't see the menu right away, just make sure you click directly on the profile icon and not somewhere nearby. On some screen sizes or browsers, the layout may look slightly different, but the profile area is still typically located in that same upper right section. After the menu appears, look through the list of options until you find Logout. Once you see it, click Logout. As soon as you do that, Reddit will sign you out of your account. In most cases, you'll either stay on the current page as a logged out user or be redirected to Reddit's homepage. A simple way to confirm that you've logged out successfully is to check the top right corner again. Instead of seeing your account profile, you should now see options to log in or sign up. That's all there is to it. Logging out is especially important if you're using a public or shared device because it helps protect your account and personal activity. If you manage multiple Reddit accounts, signing out also makes it easier to switch between them cleanly. If the logout option doesn't appear for you, try refreshing the page and opening the profile menu again. You can also make sure you're on the official Reddit site and that the page has fully loaded before clicking. In some cases, browser extensions or temporary loading issues can affect how menus display, and that's how to log out of Reddit. Once you know where the profile menu is, the process becomes very simple and only takes a moment to complete.